In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your online store efficiently using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. Let's jump right in by heading over to wix.com, where you can log into your account. If you don't have one yet, it's pretty straightforward to sign up, so don't let that stop you. Once you've logged in, you'll need to locate and click on Design Site. This button is typically easy to find and will serve as your gateway to customizing the look and feel of your online store. Now, head over to the Pages and Menu section. This tool not only allows you to access all your store menus, but it's also the command center for structuring your site's navigation effectively. Next, from the menu options on the left side of the screen, click on Store Pages and then select Store Products. Here is where you'll manage your store's offerings, an essential feature for maintaining fresh and enticing product listings. Now, go ahead and click on Product Page. This will take you to the area where you can start configuring each of your items or services in detail. Now, let's really dig into product management. Click on Manage Products and then scroll down to Product Options. It's time to add some options like sizes, colors, or materials. Simply click plus Add Option to input new choices. For example, you might add sizes like small, medium, and large, or color options such as red, blue, and black. Wix offers a handy feature called Assign Variants Automatically. By activating this, the platform will automatically create all the possible combinations of your options, like matching each size with every color. You'll end up with combinations like a small red or a medium blue product, ensuring customers can find exactly what they're looking for. To further tailor your store's offerings, take the time to customize each variant. This is where you can set varied prices, such as charging a bit more for an XL size. You can also manage stock and inventory for each option, ensuring that your inventory is tidy and up to date. And don't forget to enhance each variant with unique product images, perhaps a special photo highlighting each color choice. Continue your journey by heading over to Edit Product. Here, you have even more freedom to personalize your items. If offering customized products is your game plan, make full use of the Custom Text Notes feature. This is perfect for allowing customers to input personal text, like adding a name to a coffee mug. Once all changes are in place, hit Save. This saves your work, but doesn't yet make it visible on your site. To properly test everything you've just set up, click on Preview. This will take you to a preview of your storefront where you can try out selecting different options to ensure everything looks right and the pricing is accurate. To finalize the process, click on Publish. This will push all your hard work live, making it visible to your customers. Congratulations, you've just customized your Wix store. Finally, click Done and give yourself a pat on the back. You've completed the setup successfully. Now all that's left is to watch as your online store starts to attract shoppers from all over. Enjoy!